Hey everyone, so I'm back with another video for another nostalgia product. This one's going to be the sandwich maker. My daughter saw this at Walmart and she's like, "Daddy, can we get this? I can make my grilled cheese." I thought, you know what, why not? The egg one was pretty cool, so I figured I'd go ahead and get this, try it out. I wish I had these products back when I was driving a truck, but here's the little machine. It's pretty small. It's only about 500 watts, so it's not, it's not super powerful. It's not super huge. You can only do one sandwich at a time. But it's perfect for like a kid or maybe somebody in a dorm. If you're somebody who is like me on the road, it comes in pretty good handy there. I'll just do just a quick grilled cheese here. Spray it with just a little bit of butter spray. And you just layer one piece of bread, put your cheese. I was going to do some ham as well, but mine expired, so I threw it away. And then one more on top. It takes a little bit of effort to kind of push it down. Kind of smashes it together into like a pocket. It only takes a couple minutes and then it'll be ready. It only takes a couple minutes to heat up as well. After a couple minutes, we'll go ahead and come in, open it up. There we go. We got a grilled cheese, kind of like a pocket style. Separates it into halves for you. Yeah, this would have been pretty handy in the truck. Press it down and you get the gooiness in there. Next, we're going to go ahead and try an omelet because it says it can do omelets. I think this will actually do a better job compared to the egg one, just because this one's actually going to give it more of a brownish color and everything to it, more of a cook. The other one was more of a steam. And after a couple minutes, we'll open it up. Now we have a decent looking omelet. Pretty nifty machines. I noticed on their shop they got a lot of different products. Some of them look pretty cool. But anyway, definitely check it out. I'll put a link below for Amazon, but I recommend getting it at Walmart because it is a few dollars cheaper. This was about $8 or $9 at Walmart. Anyway, thank you for stopping by. Subscribe, like, comment below.